This is an example for the personal area network. Okay, all the printers and your smartphone, tablets, then headphones, everything has connected by using the Bluetooth technology, or else we can use the infrared waves. Okay, then there are two types of personal area network. One is wired personal area network and another is wireless personal area network. Wireless personal area network is a low range network. We are using the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth technology, and the wired personal area network we are using the USB cables to connect the devices to each other. Then examples of the personal area network. The network which moves with a person. Okay, it's mainly for travel persons to share their information with their gadgets, and it is an offline network, can be created inside the home. So it is also known as the home network, but it is not connected with the internet. For example, the LAN means you can connect with the internet, but the personal area network, all the devices such as printer, computer, televisions, everything can be connected, but they are not connected to the internet. That's the difference between the personal area network and the local area network. Then metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network that cover the large geographical area than the local area network. Okay, then government agency. For example, the banks are situated more than one city. They can use the metropolitan area network to connect the banks which is located in the different cities. Then it is high range than the local area network. It's mainly connecting the cities, and man is used communication between the banks in a city, and it can be used colleges. Okay, if the branches in the if the same branches in this same branches of the bank within different cities, it can be used to connect. Then wide area network. Wide area network, the bank is branches situated across the continent. Suppose a bank in America, the same bank in IDB bank, the same bank in India. Then the two different bank which can be branches can be connected by using your wide area network. And okay, it extends over the large geographical area such as state or the country or the continent. It's quite bigger than the land and man. Okay, it uses the for communication medium, it can use the telephone line or fiber optical cable which offer the high speed data transmission with high quality, or it can use the satellite links. So the best example for the WAN is the internet. The internet is the one of the biggest wide area network. Wide area network widely used by the business, governments and education systems. The examples of the wide area network, a 4G network across the region or across the continent, and the bank provides a private network that connects 44 offices which is located across the continent. A network made by using the telephone leased line. It's a permanent line, dedicated line. Leased lines means a dedicated line provided by the telephone company. Then versus LAN versus MAN versus, and okay, LAN means it only cover local within the building, but it can cover the continent, different continent. It can connect the computers with the wide area network. We can connect the computers with any globe, any point of globe, and it connect the different cities. And then bandwidth, here the data high bandwidth for data transfer, it is low bandwidth only, and bandwidth here moderate, and its LAN means it's owned by the private company. It is established under the distributed ownership. Okay, it may be, and it's limited to the 1000 meters. It can huge area, 1 lakh kilometers it can spread, and here it is allowed up to 100 kilometers. Then this is also the difference between the local area network and wide area network. It can cover the small area within the building, and it large area covered. It is also used the public communication link, and it is usually low speed, but it's a fast speed. And here we are connecting the computers by using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cables, but here we can connect the computers through optical fiber or microwave, or even we can make use of the satellites microwaves. Then LAN, then it is limited to the building, but it's limited to the it is span across the continent, connection. It can be physically connected, but sometimes it can be physically connected. It can follow the wireless technology also. And the devices, WAN means we are using the modem. Okay, modem. Here we are using the Ethernet cord or network adapter to connect the different systems. And here the cost is less, but here the cost is high. Error rate is low. Here error rate is high. It is the example within the building. The computers can connect, but it is the example of internet. Data transmission is high. Here it is low. One more example for the LAN and WAN. LAN means within the building, but the LAN is available. The LAN which is situated different continents can be connected using wide area network. Here within the building, all the devices are connected called LAN. But okay, across the house we can connect using WAN. Okay, then this also example LAN versus MAN. It can cover 1 kilometer to 10 kilometer. It can cover 100 kilometers. It can cover more than 100 kilometers. Okay, it's within the building, but here it is within the city. Here across the continent cover the computers. So range 1 kilometer city, and it's unlimited, and cost is normal. It is very high. And the connectivity device here, we are using the modem also, telephone lines, microwave, satellite links, everything is used. Accuracy is medium, but here the LAN very good. This is personal area network. Okay, which is personal area network that will connect the tablet and all, that is tablet and printer, all the devices within your home using Bluetooth technology. We can connect that using Bluetooth technology, or else we can use the Wi-Fi connections, or you can use the wire. We can go for the wired connection using USB, but mainly used to transfer the files. Okay, videos. To transfer the videos, audio, etc. Then local area network. The local area network, we can use the wired connection, or we can go for the wireless connection. This is the modem. Okay. This is the modem. This is the router. Switch. This is the switch. Through switch we can connect all the devices. The switch and the modem are connected. Okay, in the switch, all the devices, all the computers are connected via switch, and all the LAN, also in all the computer connected to the internet via modem. This is the example for the wireless. Okay, here only the switch and the modem are connected. Here the wireless switch or wireless router is used. So through Wi-Fi, all the devices are connecting. Through all the devices connected through Wi-Fi, all the devices are connected to the router, and then through router they are accessing the internet. The LAN can access the internet. Here this is the example for without using the cables. And local area network means within the office. Okay, within the all the computers within the school or within the university or within the hospital can be connected using LAN. Wide area network means the LAN which is situated across the continents. Okay, across the oceans can be connected using WAN. For example, the data can be moved using this WAN.